I have to promote the show. And you will tell me, say, let's do banner. And I say, bro, before next week you see the banner, you want me say, you know what they do banner?
Poster.
I say, next week, yeah. I put we call a banner, the poster. You know what they do poster? Now, so next week, the poster was started to come outside. Which next week I started to say that for you. I promote the show. I promote the show. I said so I can promote the show. Then before I book you when you did the week of my show, I call you, say bros, I book your ticket because I know how France be. Everybody know I ain't a day. I book your ticket down. Me, if I travel for France, if I want to go Paris for my city, a month, if I go next month, I'll book the ticket down. It go cheaper to me. Nobody the find money for girls. It go cheaper to me. I'm not going to cut that ticket for you.
I'm not saying you. What I was just trying to give instance.
Because I didn't get that go. I want to clear that fact now. Say, if you just go put that ticket for such a couple to you for airport, not me lose for the show. Show when you want me to run up and down for when you not settle down. Not me lose like that.
Yes, I know you are making the point.
I said okay. Let me put it
we are live with the promoter of the show.
You say you never reach where man up with the ticket. I said okay, I obey you. I not disturb you. I just said to do my thing, they promote the show, which you see then you get show for Canada. I see the promote for my status. They promote for my status, they promote for my Facebook. Then we know Facebook. Go my Instagram, I always say that I don't delete anyone. I see my Instagram to today. And the promoter, when you see the New York, I promote of my status, everything. Then when we say the ticket na €300. Come and say that ticket don't cost me. No, me that ticket all day or rush on my body because me get so cat so wants you to on my own.
Yes.
I always tell you this is my first. This is my first show I do for the town. That's why I'm asking. I did let you know. I know why this is my first one I do for the town. I want that ticket say your play friends and I know they are not say yes. I know the next thing I want to do. I know what I want to do. I focus on that thing. That was I say let's do the ticket. It's not that maybe say maybe they rush you because I'm normal thing will be say before you move you need to book your ticket down. As you get show for me on the 29th, it's going to say on the 28th. So I'm going to do your work out. Sorry.
Okay. Thank you very much. I thank God say you called, which was even better for me because other people that were calling, they were already annoying me. Be like, he just obviously say the issue where really gets now, where annoy me, not be any other thing. Because you know, so when you don't work out for life, if you see what you don't first see before, you know they shake you. You feel me? Hello?
I hear you.
So the issue now where the naked that girl. That is where I'm on now. And
sorry, let me talk for that game matter.
Okay.
Sorry to say, sorry, not call. Sorry to say, what talk about that game matter. If this is a if I agree for that game matter, because me I know they do all this matter, I know they do all this human matter. Was true to say, but me I'm very simple man. Because I know the question because you do all this thing. Just where I like your song. That's why I try to promote it.
No, I appreciate you for that, my brother.
And I don't think we should talk social media, go do all these things. That was not my thought. My thought was after this show, what is the next target? That was my thought.
No, fine. The issue now.
Ever they say this are this. If me, I'm one of that night. People they want you to kill my enemy. They who want to stab me, and they dodge like maybe I see they just say no. Hey, manager, no, leave her. I say, if you come outside and say, oh, you don't me can talk and me go do so you can do say he do video for broadcast. The video there. Do not put God for a year, do not beat them with it. I say, follow the photo and say all the people then are God. They were so nice. All these people do not put God for you, do not threaten them. Now Europe will do. Do not be in Nigeria, it's not Europe. It don't they so. Let's say you are women they just Europe. If you do many years, they go police station, they go do that, go do that report.
My brother, now because see, now we on those. The matter now, you feel not understand what they happen.
Not here put Eva, not here put that girl. That
place where they say now so she get belly. The complex you go the fucking influence. My brother, no. I know.
Eva thought Eva said was so tired. Okay, Eva was so tired of you. Not that day. Eva, forget it. That day was so tired of you. Say you yourself and you too get you talk about him and say you too as you yourself you too get strong man. Now what did I get to me? If I pull up for you this night, if you go say we're gonna next song go.
Okay, that's for that now. Please, viewers, if you are watching, we are live with the promoter. Thank you for the way you've been talking. And I really appreciate you because other of your people the cousins are the thing they annoy me. If waiting person don't know, now sometimes you will ask questions. As you did now, if you also get one promoter will be friend, how far this thing will happen so. Now true say I'm supposed to book a ticket compulsorily, or if ticket talk, you go ask question whether maybe waiting me they talk, whether it they wrong.
I never said no book your ticket. Even when I they come because you don't talk to anybody. I don't say to anybody you talk since I never talk to anybody since. I don't come explain my part of my own. Me I know they drag with anybody. And this is not my baggage. My baggage was my net target after this show. So it's not about this blah blah blah. You know what they say, bros. When about this ticket, when ticket issue for cause problem between me and you. Let's go to the point. Wait, this ticket matter of cause problem between me and you. That ticket matter of cause problem. Even when I say I want to put that ticket, I see get the right up. Say, bro, this ticket very very important. You need to book a ticket first for ground. You see, tell me say you are rich, so you don't know your movement. You don't know the location where you did.
And not be only you, I tell now other promoters too. If you notice, if they follow me for status.
The right of my WhatsApp, the voice to
thank you.
You will tell me say you want to say, bro. Okay, give me location. I don't do on limit. Give me location. I book your ticket. You will say ticket at €500. They tell me say I talk to you wrongly. I don't even want to buy the ticket. Give me location. You say no, don't book my ticket. You will say don't book it. I know they tell me say why are you shouting? I say get the ticket. Yeah, you can't. Tell me say why are you shouting? I say I'm not the shout. Because you don't want to apply with me now. You want to say you want to stop with ticket issue. Before you can apply with me, say, okay, my account ticket for this your manager.
I love what you talk now because now me and you really get the conversation. You understand me?
The man you come now later if I come.
Not be even if I supposed to come. Now later on when you not fit meet up with the ticket. Well, for easy, now easy IBAN accounts we send give you.
Before you go tell me for ticket not there.
That ticket as at when we send give you, ticket was now 300 and
you never comply with me, bro. You don't know as I wait. That then I say where the mistake is coming from now. We not jump the mistake now. Me, I just come outside. The way the mistake for come from me and you the ticket. Which you couldn't say you have to say you call the time. You stress me for the time. You say you come out, you say I stress you.
But that's the truth now. You know the way you argue. Even when I come for you to even book my flight to return back, the card where you say not let load, whether now PCS they call them, they couldn't even load that card. I was frustrated in that town. And on getting to that event, man. Now the truth that they talk now.
No, bro, wait, tomorrow. You're put this to that PCS. I'll go back tomorrow. That first day. So tell me the account. Without the demand, not getting nobody block it. Go to with the card. So tell me the account with that PCS enter tomorrow. I'll see do the proof and I'll see send out for the word.
It's as simple as that now. Then we go ask her to she be the track
The PCS now saying if I tell me say one cut.
Can I even tell you the truth now? That money you sent, the 100.
Wait. I said I 105 euro for the ticket.
The money was not okay for both of us to leave.
No, both of us. Me, I agree for blah car. I don't call blah car for that. Now, the customer say it time no, but okay, blah car is.
Not be just see now. 105 euro. Let's be factual. 105 euro.
Your ticket was yes. Your ticket was 102 euro for your flight ticket, which France airline was 102 euro. I said that 105 euro. PCS day. I did really
for two of us. For two of us.
Not two of you. You don't understand me. I don't
know that you don't understand. See what you talk. You listen. You listen. The time when you can't send that PCS.
The time I get the blah. Wait, I know when they get it. I get the blah car where I cancel. Blah when I cancel. I'll set that for you. Me decide. But see blah I cancel.
Okay, brother. Okay, more wait now. More wait now. I want to ask one question now. You can't meet me for inside car.
You can't confuse me.
Hello. Hello, our Fïght talk now. Our Fïtt talk now. What you can't meet me for inside car? Now, first of all, me and who they inside car where you come? Me who and who? Me, which of us the car? Because remember you make one statement say your best see with us. Me and who they inside car?
Where you come? I know me. I know the beat around the bush. But I think they say I want to say we be do marking. I don't know what I say we do marking. I speak that beneath for you. We tell you what be not say my name na beginning na take her. Which way you tell me because that is you have to what you want to bros. And I think to kind of guess maybe if I don't like a part of your music, I will not.
I know. I say me and who they inside car. That's not what the question I asked now.
No, it's not what you decide when you decide car. What do you? I want to tell you why me the best. I don't know. I want to tell you why
me. No, you are not answering the question. Please don't jump any question. I just ask you. You they talk since now. Me and who they inside car? They have to talk.
When you call, it was one white man. With one you say you still wait to me say it's your sister plus Eva plus you.
Okay. Now they get now the good baby say would they talk
so, they call.
No, you go ask me your own questions too. You wait, you try jump questions, brother. Just wait with the talk the thing. When okay now me my sister, as I tell you, my our husband and Eve and I gather and come. Now, who carry me come there? Who carry me come out?
They carry you come, but we not do for this one. We not do for answer.
You see now, you did about this question. Who carry me come? Who carry me come out?
Which what don't know say who carry you come. I don't think now your sister, white man, and even I got come plus you.
Now, yeah, that story follow come say I follow old woman come out. I go the leak to.
Because
no, don't you think you the guy want job the thing? You forget what your as in what I mean not you now mostly. What your people don't do for internet. Where that story come now say I follow old woman come out. I go the leak to.
You go wrong to what my people don't do. You go wrong to the point now. Which you just say what you call that address where because me I like.
No, you they address me now. There you don't understand. What they cause the social media saga.
You go where I say my people don't do.
As in, okay, man, not calling your people. Those guys. You one come and say now so I follow old woman come out.
You do business. Sorry to say, you do business. We do business about music, theater, entertainment. It's not about people. People was not there when you make agreements. So I don't believe all this kind of talk supposed to come around this kind of talk to the point. You know what is the way forward? Now I need from you. bros. Not be
My brother. See, Matrox, let us say something. Eh? I don't want to make blessing with their custom blame now. If I think I did happy deep down inside me now, I'm not supposed to come out. I've never done saga, but I never come. I know they come out for all those things. You understand? If you know this, if they do them, I know they do them. You feel me now?
Can I talk to you now? Can I talk to you now?
What did you say, sir?
Can I talk to you now, friends?
Okay,
I have to
to me. Talk to me. Khalifa, listen, somebody's talking
okay,
to us.
I just want to say something. What two of you supposed to be talking at the way forward? Forget about what happened. You go have to settle.
My brother,
let me
please.
tell something.
They don't
Me, I never.
mind
May I
black
talk
already.
now? May I talk? I never talk.
Come on, go they leak Toto.
Those are the ways people talk. You cannot believe people ways like that. Those are the people who always say things that are not really. You understand? May I tell you one thing? May you wait first. Let me tell you something. You are a son of a legend. You know that, living legend. Your father is still alive. At this moment, they watch your papa music. I just want to tell you some few ways. Not be everything when person talk, you will put mouth. You hear every time they talk. If your father tell you the pains when don't pass you for music, you know will enter music self. You will run. You will run. Understand me so?
Yes.
If you see and say you come out they explain to people, that means you don't know your value. When you know your value, how many times don't see Two-Face other artists, not that I'm using you to compare them, and God when you will still great past them, but they know they come out, they talk. You don't see Olami they come out online. We are very happy that those things we say do to the world. Now that God is doing it, that the Edo people they are now waking up in entertainment industry. What is causing this issue towards that? Understanding. I was with you in Treviso here when you came to Treviso. You understand me? And you performed, you did great, good job. You understand me? And there's something I want you to know. Call this guy, you discuss one-on-one. Everything's okay. Now we'll discuss one-on-one. And you are going far. May God let me explain something.
Thank you very much.
You are still going far. Nobody can stop your destiny. The only issue there is that when you and your people, when they carry you, come, they get issue. They hear which time they talk. They hear which time they talk.
Yes.
Now when you
hear
promoter, people when they bring you come, it's because of you.
Yeah, Eva, we are here with that.
So I bet this bros, if I see you go remove am for this live video. Because these girls, they talk say you don't suppose come outside talk. Where all my friends on full social media, I don't understand these bros.
I don't say not supposed to come and talk. I say
what you're not supposed to come
out. Come outside talk. My friends show for all social media. I don't understand this guy. They go do his sister.
No, you know no after talk. That is the problem. Thank God say you hear what I talk.
You not supposed to come outside. Call the talk for media. Wait, be say my picture like the matter never concern me, but my picture big pass for the poster.
Make it she come. Make you stay to run which I talk.
About me. They go do your sister, bros.
Madam, wait first. Madam, make you wait first. Not be even if they for our party, but not be as body they scratch person, they take this scratch. If me wrong, if me wrong, not me say wait first. If me wrong, not me say you will see wrong. If me, madam, make you wait first. That is the problem where we they get, where we the love not they. If me wrong, you know me say you will still wrong, follow me. Then you wait first. You wait first. You don't let person talk. If you want, they talk about who they talk about life and death for you now.
Okay.
Maybe you wait first.
Eva, you wait. Eva, you wait.
That's something we are talking about. Nobody they say that we wait.
Eva, I say you wait. If I say wait, you wait.
No problem.
Chairman, just
give us something. The way when she take the talk now, I not even go to her side say waiting they do to Rao, he write all good though. or the back. It was something. So I don't even go there. You understand what I try to talk to you. You understand me? So if anybody do something
Okay, bro,
when
take
too
this
much,
episode too.
may I say something? Huh? I don't understand.
So okay, Chairman, may you wait. Let's pause that one. Eva, are you there?
Make she talk. What she want to talk.
I'll be calling in. You did not accept the call.
No, I dey accept. I don't know. I dey accept. You go to show hard in network, not the pick up.
Even when they talk, he mentioned one statement. You understand like that? Say they not touch me. My bishop.
Khalifa, they listen to you. Khalifa, they listen to you.
My bishop, they say, mention one statement, say they not touch me. My bishop, they cast on social media. I don't get, not be me, the whole show, not be me, be the artist, where we see the big come. But my bishop, na big pass for social media. They cast all my video follow everywhere.
Why?
Now they don't touch me. When they give me 2 slap for inside there, they touch, they not slap me.
Ivan, wait.
Khalifa.
Why?
Khalifa.
Wait, Eva, wait. Let me just clear that from you. Why you say your picture go viral and your video go viral? Let me clear that for you. You know, now when you say one the manager, so say you don't appoint me to say send my manager. Now you are take as manager.
Bro, but they talk where they say you stress up for ticket. Let me come here.
Let me talk.
You didn't hear me? He say you stress up for ticket. You talk on yours now. You know the reason why I make alarm now. I listen to your voice, bro. So they stammer. You not talk. Not be waiting. You tell us. Not be waiting. You come and tell me. Not be you they talk for this
Brother,
live video.
you remember I asked
Understand
you
you they talk. You they
remember
stammer.
what I told you?
I don't even understand what you talk.
Difference. Remember what I asked? What I tell just and say, what is the way forward?
You be demon. Now you want
Madam, what is the way forward? Now that is what we want. All of us, we are from a district. No, we are not the insulting ourselves.
You dey stand for this video.
I talk you demon. If less you come for you
business with you. I get any business with you. Now me you carry for Joe.
Different.
You be demon. I tell you, you be demon. You be demon.
Difference.
You carry for Joe. Don't worry. Wait for my lawyer.
You be demon because you
don't
be class manager. You say you form it. You say you be manager. You say hotel.
Can I say something?
You be demon.